we like to talk about delivery reporting. If I click on menu, I go to reports, and I go to deliveries. The one we want to talk about next is delivery history. This is really important because if you are looking for historical data from a delivery perspective, the TLS can collect that information for almost 3 years and store that, and then you can retrieve it at any time you want from a reporting perspective. So let's just jump right into delivery history. I click on delivery history. Now it gives me the current history of tank 1, for instance. So now you can see that there's multiple dates here. Under the actions button, I can go in, I can select a specific range again, month, by hour, by day, by week. I can do it by year, I can give it a historical or date range. So it depends on what you're looking for. Most people are doing it by month, so I'm gonna look for the current month, click on it, and it's gonna provide that information. Again, the delivery report is gonna give you the start time and date and end time and date. And again, the full volume, the fuel volume, and at the beginning, at the end of the delivery, and also the amount that was actually put in the tank. And we also record other things like fuel temperature and fuel height during that exchange of delivery.